Hello ladies and gentlemen, Tyler with Riversmith with a 4-banger truck bed river quiver installation video. Today we'll be installing a 4-banger river quiver into a Umpqua 2017 GMC Sierra with the drill-in method. Included will be 3 truck bed mounts, as well as 12 self-tapping screws and a 10mm nut driver. Also required is a drill with a 3/8 inch hex head. You will also need a tape measure and a Sharpie. Let's get started. The first step in our installation process is preparing our bed liner. It's important to note that you cannot use the drill-in installation with a composite liner. That also includes those folks with the Carbon Pro bed. So, ensuring that we have a metal backing or a metal liner. The first real step is going to be measuring the first mount. The minimum distance required from the tailgate is 13 inches to accept our real box. I also have an obstruction in the way, so my first mount is going to be positioned at 22 inches. I can use my Sharpie to measure and mark. Using the drill to install our first mount, we're going to be using the self-tapping screws on the top, bottom, and side small holes. This first screw is going to be through the top middle hole. Luckily for me, this topper has a level plane, so I can line my mounts up using that. If you don't have a level plane or a line against your liner, you can use a level or a string to make sure that all of your mounts are flat. Again, using the top middle screw to start. Once the self-tapping portion of the screw has penetrated the liner, remember not to over-tighten these mounts. After my first screw is set in place, I can follow the other small holes and insert all 4 self-tapping screws. After positioning and securing my first mount, the next mount in the process is going to be the far forward mount. This mount needs to be 36 to 40 inches from the first mount. I'm going to measure from the middle and mark with a Sharpie. My forwardmost mount is about 39 to 40 inches from my farthest mount. Once again, using the top middle hole to start our installation. The final mount to position and secure is the middle mount. Ideally, it'll be placed right in the middle, 18 to 20 inches from each mount. But if you have an obstruction, you can pick and choose which side to surround. Russ from Umpqua here is going to help me install the quiver onto our mounts. Typically, you'll have 3 T-studs pre-installed on the top of your quiver. If you're like us and you have a decked system or an obstruction below the mounts, you may have to mount with the quiver on top of the mounts. So we've gone ahead and moved our T-studs to the bottom track here, and then I'm going to loosely attach my 10mm nuts to secure it to the mounts. Ready? Line. All right.
That was easy.
Yes, it was. Maybe it was.
The part put in the corners.
Once our 4-banger has been set onto our mounts and our 10mm nuts have been loosely fastened, I can adjust the position of the quiver forward, backwards, and side to side. This is the positioning that I want, so then I can use my 10mm nut driver to tighten down those nuts and secure our river quiver in place. Congratulations! You've just finished your 4-banger truck bed river quiver installation. Before hitting the water, remember to wash your river quiver frequently, as well as check the tightness of your nuts and bolts. Thank you very much.